Sound of a rushing wind and oh.
Yo, listen, the wait is over. The promise is here, the old is fulfilled, the new era is near. The lamb has been slain, but the stones rolled away. This is the sound of the church, how do you say?
This is the way, the truth, the life, no more confusion. Oh, powered by the Spirit, a holy infusion. Oh, from the upper room flame to the ends of the earth, proving the promise and the Messiah's worth. We follow their courage, the gospel sound, cause the King they proclaimed is the same solid ground.
There was Peter, once he denied Christ 3 times, but after the fire he preached a rhyme so sublime. On the day of Pentecost 3,000 got saved, healed a lame man by the power God gave. He walked out of prison, angels broke the chains, he built the foundation through the Spirit's reigns. And John, the disciple Jesus loved deep and profound, wrote about the word that was there from the sound of the beginning, where love is the theme. Banished to Patmos, he saw the supreme vision of glory, the end of the age. His letter still turning the sinner's page.
This is the way, the truth, the life, no more confusion. Oh, powered by the Spirit, a holy infusion. Oh, from the upper room flame to the ends of the earth, proving the promise and the Messiah's worth. We follow their courage, the gospel sound, cause the King they proclaimed is the same solid ground.
And came Paul, once a killer breathing threats, a religious terrorist with no regrets, but a light from the sky and a voice that called his name. Turned a persecutor to proclaim the fame of the risen Jesus. He planted churches, wrote the letters, said I can do all things through Christ who makes me better. Shipwrecked and beaten, he never lost a passion. Preached to the philosophers in a trend of fashion. He finished the race, he kept the faith, a legacy of grace. Took the gospel to the Roman world and set the pace. And Stephen, the first martyr full of faith and grace, saw heaven open right before his face. While he threw the stones, he bred beer, fed a gift, showing how a true follower of Christ is meant to live. This ain't just for preachers, this is for the crew. Leader your soul purple, and in the heart it grew. A church in a house of business from his faith. Philip preached to an Ethiopian, setting a new pace. Ananias obeyed, though he was afraid. He laid hands on Saul and heaven's power played. Every believer minister, every soul of light. The same Spirit there is Christ from the dark of night. Point is the power is here, it's not a thing you'll meet. The same Spirit that raised Christ is alive in you and me. To preach the news, to heal the sick, to live without the fear. To be a living letter that anyone can hear. They pointed to Jesus, the author, the finisher of faith, the one who conquered sin and death and opened up the way. So let's rise up, church, hit the cool call to be a kingdom of priests for the world to see. Yo, shit, the Dreidels, a con ain't this till in favor. Been a motor meanest, throw you up in the data.